What's going on YouTube? Marcus Czar here, and we're on DeFiHop.com. And before you guys get started, go to hardware wallets because I want to keep your guys' cryptocurrency safe, mainly your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Uniswap, all your assets that you have. Keep it safe by buying one of these hardware wallets. You got the newest one, which is Ledger Nano X. This is a little bit more in the $100 plus range. The Ledger Nano S, this is the one I have. It's a little bit cheaper, so around about $60, $75 range. And you got the Treasure Model T as well. So just different options you can check out. But please get a hardware wallet so you keep your cryptocurrency safe so hackers won't try to steal your Bitcoin. Okay, so that's DeFi Hop. And today we're looking at this cryptocurrency called Compound, which is right here, has a market cap about $2.2 billion. And then we go to CoinGecko and then click on DeFi. We can get a little bit more data here, and our DeFi market cap keeps hitting all-time highs. So we have $78.3 billion. Then we have total value locked, right? How much money is locked in these protocols, these smart contracts on these platforms. We have $51.6 billion. So things are looking pretty good in this whole DeFi space. That's why I like it so much. And then you got the leaders so far as rank. But if you go to DeFi Post, so DeFi Post is another site that's related just to DeFi, right, in this sector called decentralized finance. And we have the total value lock, and total value lock in USD is $39.94 billion. And we can see Compound is ranked number 3rd underneath Aave and Maker. And you can see the category for it. It's a lending. Meaning you can lend your crypto or borrow cryptocurrencies, and got $4.54 billion locked. And that is good data to see there. And if we just go to lending as well, we can see everything related to the lending space. And you can see, again, the top 3. So that's why we're talking about Compound. And all we got to do is scroll down. Compound here. It's currently trading about $482. So Compound, man, definitely looking really good. Circulating supply, right? Love looking at this number to see how much is circulating out there in the open market. So it's only 4.3 million comps circulating in the open market with a max of 10 million available for the max supply. Total value lock, again, as you see, capital deposit in the platform in the form of a loan, collateral, or liquidity trading pool. And we always want to see this number because this just shows us people actually putting their money in Compound. And the answer is yes. And if you guys just want to look at a little bit more information, just read up on it. What is Compound Protocol? Compound is a decentralized blockchain protocol that allows users to lend or borrow selected currencies. It establishes money markets by pulling assets together and setting interest rates based on supply and demand of assets. To supply or lend crypto assets on Compound, you just go to the stats. User will have to deposit their crypto assets into the Compound protocol, and all you will need to do to interact with Compound is go to compound.finance. If you go to DeFi Hop, all you'll need to do is click on this globe here, and you'll go to the same reputable, secure website. And as you guys can see, this is Compound. So Compound Finance, right? Just like any traditional financial markets that we know today, but it's different, right? We're on a blockchain with it. Everything is secure. Everything is verifiable. And only thing I would need to do to interact with Compound is click on App, and then it's going to say Connect Wallet, connect my MetaMask. If you don't have a MetaMask, watch my video. I'll have the link in the comment as well. All the links so you guys can get started on just to interact with this stuff, just to see how it works. And I'm going to go ahead and sign into my MetaMask real quick. And MetaMask is just a wallet. It's a browser extension for Google. And as you can see, it's unlocking it. And all I need to do is just refresh. And now you can see here, I connected my wallet to Compound, right? And now I'm on this new thing called Web, the new Web 3.0. And that was possible because I have my MetaMask. And if I just click on this puzzle here, you can see my MetaMask here. So Very, very cool. And this is my dashboard for Compound. For me to get started, all I need to do is either, if I want to supply the markets, right, so I can earn some type of fees on this by supplying capital in the form of assets, right? You got different assets you can supply to Compound. But if you want to borrow assets, you'll go to the borrow markets, and then you'll just select the crypto currency that you'll like to borrow, right? So just nice and simple right there, plain and white. That's why I like crypto so much. No paperwork, no hassle, just get started, and it's just simple, just like that. So that's why I like Compound. So keep a look on Compound, but if we go to the charts to type in comp, C-O-M-P, and just click on crypto, right? You got all. And I'm just click on crypto. I'm gonna go on the first one, Tetherist, which is on Binance. This is the usually one I'll use to look at the charts. And then all you need to do is open future chart and get a tradingview.com account as well. It's free. You need to get in a habit of looking at charts, because this will help you become not only a better trader, but just a better retail investor, just to see what's going on with the charts. And I have the data to see what's going on with Compound. And I am looking at the 1 day, right? So I'll usually look at the 1 day, 4 hours, just to zoom out of everything so I can see the history of Compound. And I know that the lows of Compound previously was $81. Simple trend line. And I'm just go ahead and clone this. Just like that, I have another trend line. And I'm just move it, right? Got my support here, got resistance here, right? Supports just means that the lowest that this cryptocurrency has to reach, which was $80.23. This was about a year ago or a few months ago in November. Then as we can see, we have resistance points here, about $172. And then Compound eventually broke it. Got those ads, right? Broke it, and then now we're seeing just all-time highs with Compound, right? So now what we can do is make this bigger a little bit, and we can make another trend line to symbolize the all-time high of Compound, and we can know that Compound reached as high as $530. And Compound still got a lot of room to grow. It's just like Aave and Maker, right? Low circulating supply. DeFi is still underneath $100 billion as far as the market cap. So there's a lot of opportunity for Compound. If I go to, let's go to the 4 hours, right? And now what I can do is make another trend line. Just right here, just like that. And this symbolizes the current activity of Compound. So we know that Compound, right, hit $536 as an all-time high, then a pullback, and then it broke this kind of support, right? This kind of support now, because we got these touches here, got another touch here, just symbolizing this is a key area for support. And it did break underneath this the first time around, well, it got as low as $393. But support, right, just keep it simple, $440.70. So this is support area here. And so we're just going to keep looking at Compound. Definitely looks like Compound is going to try to hit resistance again. So I can actually add Compound for a position in my portfolio analytics tracker app on DeFiHop.com. So I'm going to just go ahead and sign in real quick. It's free to log in and sign up for your account, so I do recommend it because this will help you be a better investor. Okay, so as you can log in to see mine, so I'm up $2,309 in profit, right? And this is my original investment. I haven't added anything. I was going to add some Bitcoin, but I just want to see everything play out, and just to show you guys, like, hey, if you just be patient, right? Do your homework, and you get opportunities, and then your portfolio will start to look like this. right? Everything will be in the green and not in the red. And my portfolio was looking kind of not that great a couple days ago. That's just because of the markets, right? Because of my positions that I got into, which was kind of high, but you know, it's DeFi and I know the opportunities in DeFi, so I was okay with my purchases. And now I'm gonna make another transaction just to show you guys how this works. So I'm gonna add comp, and that's just the ticker symbol for compound. How much quantity? What I can do, I'm just duplicate this. Go to the original website here so I can use my conversion calculator. You guys can see how this works. Okay, so base currency is going to be USD. We just go USD Tether, and we're going to convert this to comp. Okay, so one compound will get me about a fraction of this, right? So now what I will do is, right, quantity, purchase price. Let's look at the purchase price, about $488. Purchase price $488. And now what I can do is, let's say I want to spend, compound's going on the uptrend right now. Let's just say $2,000 would get me 4.12 comps. So I could go 4.12. So 4.12, that get me $2,000 worth of comp. So purchase date's 11, hit create. And voila, I got comp added to my position, 2,000 worth of comp. I'm already kind of down a little bit, but not too much. But just shows you that I did add it to my investment portfolio, and now my total investment is $29,000. And yeah, so comp is added to it, and that's how you use DeFi Hop, the crypto portfolio tracker app. And I'll keep making videos so you guys can get better at how to build your portfolio. But give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. What you guys think on compound? Are you guys bullish on it? I'm definitely bullish on compound because it is in DeFi, it is lending, and there's a lot of people interacting with compound, and we got $4.5 billion locked in the protocol. Mark is on.